Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Technova IQ. Today we will discuss about the copy only backup and we will create the copy only backup. So copy only backup is the special type of backup technique which does not affect the backup sequence of the database. Suppose we have to migrate any particular database from one server to another, so we will create the copy only backup so that the backup sequence of the database does not break, and we can do copy only backup for the testing purpose. So here we are going to create a copy on full copy only backup. So we will select the database, any particular database. Suppose we will create the full copy only backup of the code for job database. So we will click the right click task backup. So we will select the copy only backup option and we will change the location. So we will select the D drive. So we have select the D drive and we have named the database name of the backup. So we will select the D drive and we will add the extension of the backup. B is the extension of the backup. So we have